Hi, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from the multiple government colleges, and this notification we got from one of the state government education board. And as a permanent assistant professor vacancies, here you may get the salary 57,700 rupees per month approximately. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the universities in this pandemic situation, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so here you may check down. It is Punjab WAQF board, an autonomous institution under the Department of Home Affairs and Justice, Government of Punjab. And from this one, here we got the recruitment notification under the What's New, the detailed recruitment notice for the post of assistant professor and the librarian. So just to click on this one, and then you will be directed to this PDF guys, so where the complete details are given here regarding this recruitment notification. So Punjab WAQF board, and the recruitment notice, detailed terms and conditions are given here. But the first and foremost point I want to tell you that this board is seeks or else looking for the applications from the eligible female candidates only. Okay, not for the male, only female candidates for the regular post of assistant professors and various subjects and a librarian for Islamia Girls College and Malarkotla running under the direct management of the board, and the details of the post in college are mentioned here in the advertisement. Fine. And coming to the essential qualifications, you may check down assistant professor for the mathematics as well as the English. So master's degree with 55% of marks in a concerned subject from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or the CSIR NET qualification must be there, and the SLET or SET also chalta. Fine. And the candidates who finished or else who registered for the PhD program prior July 11, 2009, those candidates are exempted from the NET, SLET or the SET qualification. Anyhow, so for this recruitment, if you are having the post graduation with 55% of marks plus UGC NET or the CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification is there. I mean, SLET or SET means belongs to this state. Okay, then you can apply for this post guys. Okay, and if you are having the PhD, then it's fine, no problem. But the minimum qualification is the PG plus UGC NET qualification. Okay, or the CSIR NET or the SLET or SET. Fine. And coming to the next one, of course, out of the 55% mentioned, there might be a 5% relaxation. Why? Because as per the UGC 2018 regulation, 5% relaxation is there for the reserved category. Okay. And I mean, reserved category means few of the categories as per the UGC rules and regulations. And assistant director of physical education and sports, so master's degree with 55% of marks in physical education and sports, or physical education or sports, or I mean sports science. Record of having the represented with the university or college at the inter-university intercollegiate competitions of the state or national championship. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and pass the physical fitness test conducted in accordance with these regulations, or else an Asian game or Commonwealth Games medal winner who has degree at least at the graduation level. And coming to the librarian post, a master's degree in library science or information science or documentation science or equivalent professional degree with at least 55% of marks. And besides fulfilling these above conditions, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay. And coming to the age criteria, not more than 40 years. Okay. And there may be age relaxation as per the Government of India norms. And coming to the mode of selection, candidates shall be selected solely based on their suitability as assessed through scheduled interview subject to the fulfillment of eligibility criteria by the UGC and Punjab University Patiala. And coming to the salary or the probation and other service conditions, you will be in probation period for 2 years guys from the date of joining. So in that probation period, in the 2 years, first 2 years, you are going to get 15,600 plus 6,000 grade pay will be paid. And after successfully completion of your probation period, from next onwards, the appointee will be paid basic pay plus grade pay with 3% annual income on the basic pay plus grade pay will be available. Fine. So these are all the advantages are there. So if you belongs to these departments, then you may utilize this opportunity. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. Okay. And coming to the general guidelines and instructions, all requisite documents to prove claim of education, marks and experience must be sent along with the application form and a self-certificate copy of documents through a registered post you have to send to Chief Executive Officer, Punjab WAQF Board, SCO 1062/63 Sector 23B, Chandigarh. And the email ID is also given, and a copy shall also sent to the Dean Colleges, Punjabi University, Patiala. Fine. And selection criteria and service conditions, everything as per the UGC or Punjabi University. And the applicants shall submit the requisite documents through registered post or speed post courier within 30 days from the date of advertisement, and application received till 5 p.m. of the 30th day shall only be considered, and after that one will not be considered. Fine. And the shortlisting is also based upon the rules and regulations. TADA will not be provided for the interview. Okay. And candidates are advised to visit the official website and check the email accounts regularly for the updates regarding the important information. Okay. So these are the rules and regulations and the eligibility criteria and the age limitation. Okay. And the way of procedure of apply and what is the selection procedure and what is the payment. Okay. And each and everything is given here. So you may check down. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, this official website I will provide in the description box of this video. So you may please check out. And to get the more notifications like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy site, here one announcement is following. So interested candidates may listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.